Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by locking down key project settings so your animation behaves predictably. Set canvas size and the frame rate, for example, 24 FPS, then open the animation docker to expose timeline controls. Once done, enable onion skin to see surrounding frames and create a new transparent layer for your rough keys. Name it clearly so you avoid confusion later. Make sure to save a version, because frequent saves prevent lost progress and keep your workflow smooth as you begin blocking frames. Now you build motion. Place your keyframes at major poses and then add breakdowns to define movement arcs. After that, fill in-betweens to smooth timing. Use the timeline to drag, copy, and retime frames while repeatedly testing playback so spacing and timing read correctly. Once the motion is solid, lock reference layers and create a clean line art layer on top with adjusted brush opacity. This separation keeps edits non-destructive and makes color or correction passes far easier as you refine. To finish, tidy layers and decide whether to export a flattened movie or an image sequence for compositing. Make a final pass through playback, then use File Render Animation and pick the codec and resolution you need. MP4 for quick sharing, PNG sequence for compositing. If colors shift, verify color profile and transparency settings before rendering. And if you encounter flicker or timing errors, scrub the timeline. Inspect adjacent frames and onion skin settings, fix the frames, and re-export to confirm the problem is solved.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.